Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel EasyPark subscription. So let's go and do that. Now head over to the top right corner where you see these three lines, click on that button and then search in this sidebar menu here for subscription. Click on that and here you will have some manage subscriptions. So you have two options. So this one is EasyPark Small. So you are charged 15% service fee uh, on parking and electric vehicles charging sessions. If you have this EasyPark Go subscription, you are paying €3 a month, and then you don't have any fees and that stuff. But if you have it, just you will have option here to subscribe right here, free trial activated. So now I have this trial right here. So if I go here to manage subscription like so, you will see here at the bottom cancel free trial. So if I press that, if you end your trial now, you can still enjoy your subscription until March 25. So I have now for 1 month free EasyPark Go subscription. Now if I confirm cancellation like so, free trial cancelled. Now I will tell them why I don't want to be subscribed anymore. Not now. And like that, because I'm in free trial, I have now this trial for 1 month. But if you are not in trial with that procedure, you would now cancel the subscription and you will go back to EasyPark Small. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next